Hi there, students. To regurgitate, regurgitate, a verb. Regurgitation, the noun. And regurgitated, an adjective. Okay, the basic meaning of to regurgitate is to bring up partially digested food. So for animals, it's very common for them to regurgitate what they have eaten in order to feed their young, to feed their babies. Birds do this. Penguins feed their young on regurgitated fish. Now, many dictionaries use vomit as a synonym for this, but to me, if you regurgitate your food, it comes back from your stomach to your mouth, but no further. So, to regurgitate, without the last bit. Now, we also use regurgitate with a figurative meaning. We use it to mean to repeat information, but to repeat it without understanding it, without analysing it. So at school we were expected to regurgitate the teacher's words without really thinking about the meaning. Children may regurgitate the political views of their parents. Regurgitation of facts does not lead to understanding. The employee merely regurgitated what the boss had said. At school, I hated history because we just had to regurgitate which battle happened in which year. Waterloo, 1815. But this type of regurgitation is meaningless without knowing the events that surround it. So to regurgitate, to repeat verbatim, to repeat word for word, to repeat by rote. Yeah, so you're saying something that you've heard somebody say, but you don't actually understand what it means. He regurgitated the professor's lecture word for word. Plagiarism is regurgitating the work of somebody else and then claiming it's yours. You need to think about things. You need to analyse and understand the information you're given, not just regurgitate it. Okay? So, meaningless regurgitation of the terms of the contract. Repeating what someone else has said because that's what they've said. Okay, next question. What about formality? I'd probably give regurgitate a 6.5 in formality. I think something semi-formal or very formal. I think in an informal context, to repeat without thinking, something like that. And to regurgitate is a regular verb. He regurgitated my words. He has regurgitated everything the teacher said to him. And then, what about origin? Well, we have a Latin word, regurgitare, meaning to regurgitate. Well, again, and gurgitare, flood. So to flood again, to come out again. It's got this idea of bringing up from your stomach. So, regurgitate, to bring food up. Birds feed their young by regurgitating food. And then to regurgitate, to repeat by rote what someone else has said, but without thinking about it more deeply or what it really means. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Regurgitate.